Hi everybody, back to Serbian cuisine. Today, Brazilian dish with origin in Africa. So I'm going to do today is called Bobó. Okay, there is no other name that I know in English, but it is called. It is a stew made out of yuca and chicken in this case.
What is yuca?
Yuca is a root. Looks like a potato, and I already cooked in water, and I will blend this in the blender to make a creamy sauce. Usually we make bobó in Brazil with shrimp, but this is a cheaper way if you want to try it. It's really good. It's a cheaper way to make it and it tastes really delicious. So I'm gonna start doing frying the chicken, which I already cut in small pieces, chicken breast, and I season it before. So I cut in small cubes, and I am going to golden brown here quickly.
What is the seasoning?
You can make different spices. I season with lime juice, garlic powder, salt, pepper, a little bit of smoked paprika, and a little bit of dry parsley. Okay, so now I'm blending the yuca. So I already made the first batch here. I just blended yuca in its own water, and now I'm making the second round here, because it doesn't feed everything on the same time at the blender. And after blending, we're gonna make a creamy sauce like this. Look at that sauce. Beautiful, see? Creamy sauce. And meanwhile, chicken is being cooked here. And I use also, I use coconut oil, but if you don't like coconut oil, you can fry in olive oil. Okay, now we're gonna add the onions. Chop the onions. I chopped 2 onions here. So we are going now to add to the chicken, the last batch of the chicken that is being cooked. When the onions is soft, I'll be ready. Now I'm gonna add the second batch of chicken that is cooked together with the onions that is already there. Garlic. 7 cloves of garlic here. Now we mix them, wait maybe 5 more minutes to get softened and cooked. Garlic and onion. Okay, now to give a special flavor, I'm going to blend some vegetables so it can give some taste to that yuca, because yuca is just cooked in water, salt and water. So what I'm going to do, I am going to add some chicken stock here to help to blend these vegetables. So what I'm going to add here, 1 onion, cut it in large pieces. Some red bell pepper, also cut in big chunks. Celery stalks in big bunches too, in pieces. 1 clove of garlic, and 2 small pieces of ginger root. Give a special spicy flavor. And also I'm gonna add some cilantro. here in the chicken, it helps to cook instead putting more oil, and gives the chicken flavor. And now that the onion is soft and garlic is soft, now we are going to add the yuca cream. I add little by little so I can mix once at a time. And incorporates in with the chicken. Okay, now once I put the yuca cream here, it's time to add the vegetables that I blended. That's gonna give a nice color and a flavor, very good flavor. And we're gonna wait to boil this and keep it stirring once in a while. So I'm gonna add some fresh black pepper, red pepper, good, and a bit of yuca, and salt to taste. And we're gonna wait to get to a boil. Okay, so now our stew is ready here. Our bobó, chicken bobó or bobó de frango. It's now the last step is coconut milk. I have 1 can, but I'm just gonna put half of the can to taste. And we leave a little bit, maybe 5 more minutes here cooking, and it's all done. Okay, so we finalized our bobó, chicken bobó. After we put the milk, the coconut milk, we let it simmer for 5 more minutes. That's it, and it's really good. I added just a little bit of salt, and here to eat with our bobó, white rice. I just made simple rice with onion, garlic, salt. White rice goes really well with this dish. So you're gonna see it later on our plate. Now it's time that we all expect to try that food. Let's see. With some rice. Really good. It goes well with a glass of white wine. Delicious. Try it and you'll love it. Então, é uma boa maneira de se fazer um bobó, maneira prática e mais barata do que bobó de camarão. Pode fazer com peito de frango. Recomendo. Uma delícia.